Well, you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go.
Happy Teachers Day! Thank you for being my teachers. These are for my teachers. Amandeep ma'am, Hisha ma'am, and Pretty Priya ma'am. Love you all. Hi everyone, I'm your Ripi and Rika. Hope you all are great and safe at home. Welcome to my channel, Ripi Kids World. For new year, please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for my new upload. And smash the thumbs up button. Teachers are like candle. They burn them and give light to everyone. We should respect our teachers. My today's video dedicated to my all lovely teachers, especially beautiful Amandeep Kaur ma'am, my lovely Hisha ma'am, Pretty Priya ma'am, and all my teachers. Love you all. This is a small words for teachers. Thanks for grooming me, thanks for supporting me, thanks for your all guidance. I love you all my teachers. Happy Teachers Day. I'm going to make 3 greeting cards for my teachers, who also make for your teachers. They will love it. So are you ready guys? Let's start.
बस और लगा दिया और ये बराबर में लगा करो बस उसी से हो चुका है उसको यहाँ से पकड़ और एक बंगलों का ऊपर राइट उसी के बराबर This is another. Hold it. Hold it.
For my teachers. Hope you like this activity. Happy Teachers Day. I'll see you very soon with my brand new video.